you want us executive session in this committee? Baka meron kang i-reveal tungkol sa mga bagay, tungkol sa mga payola na binibigay, hindi lamang po sa mga PNP but also on the public officials?
Your Honor, wala po akong alam po dun sa mga payola po na sinasabi po nila. In fact, nagulat din po ako dun sa sinabi po ni General.
Okay, thank you for that. I just want to run through sa mga pangyayari sa ano, no? Yung purchase mo ng property sa 7.9 hectares, no? Alam naman natin yun, di ba? That it was established, you know. And then, nung March 8, 2019, parang nag-apply ka ng reclassification ng property that you bought. You bought a almost 8 hectares, 7.9 to be precise, no?
Your Honor, regarding Baofu land po, I invoke my right against self-incrimination
No,
po.
hindi pa naman siya Baofu. Nung binili mo siya, hindi pa naman siya Baofu eh, di ba? Pero binili mo siya?
Binili ko po siya, ano po siya, installment.
Yeah.
So, dumiretso na po sa Baofu.
Yes. O, pero nung binili mo siya, 150 pesos per square meter. Am I correct?
Your Honor, since may BIRMA AMLAC na po naka-file po sa akin.
Oh, sige, okay.
Opo, sorry po talaga.
I respect your
Opo, thank you po,
your
sorry
answer.
po.
Okay lang. Okay, so then you asked for for reclassification, and 1 week after the reclassification were granted. You may or may not answer that. Okay. Ikaw ang presidente before ng Baofu.
Before po, Your Honor.
Before, di ba?
Opo.
And nung July to October 2020, you applied for a letter of no objection sa Sangguniang Bayan ng Bamban. Is this correct?
Your Honor, hindi po ako nag-apply.
Hindi ka nag-apply?
Ako po yung nag-translate.
Okay. So, in other words, parang yung naandong mga dokumento that was submitted to us ay hindi mo signature.
Application, anong company po, Your Honor?
Yung Baofu.
Baofu reclassification po ba?
Yes, yes.
Reclassification po, ako po nag-sign po.
Okay. Alright. So, nung December 2, 2020, no, nag-raid doon yung NBI. So, hindi ka pa mayor dito. Pero, have you heard about the raid of the NBI on immigration?
Nalaman po namin after po.
And, nung malaman mo, since na inoperate sila, ni-raid sila, there were 332 foreign nationals that were arrested. Di ba? Is that correct?
Your Honor, as what I remember po, opo, nakita po namin sa news po yan.
At wala pang permit yung, wala pang OGL, yung Hongsheng during that time.
Di po ako sure po.
Pero you own the property, yung Baofu land. So, being the owner of that property, alam mo kung yung binigyan mo ng lease contract para mag-operate ng Pogo, have already secured that license from the PAGCOR.
Your Honor, regarding Baofu po, I invoke my right.
Sige.
Dahil po
Alright.
may final po sa akin human trafficking po sa DOJ.
Alright,
Sorry
so,
po.
sige, panay Baofu to. Iwasan na natin yung Baofu para hindi na tayo mahirapan. February 1, 2023, mayor ka na, di ba? Mayor ka na. So, nung mayor ka na, nagkaroon doon ng operation, ang CIDG. And sa operation na yon that was conducted, wala pang permit. Wala pa rin permit sila, yung Pogo. Because from Hongsheng, nag-apply kayo sa ano yun? Sun Yuan Technology.
Your Honor, hindi po kami.
Nag-ooperate.
Hindi po kami. I have no idea about it po.
Okay, pero property mo yun, yung sa inaokupahan ng Sun Yuan Technology. Am I correct?
After po ako nag-divest po, hindi ko na po alam.
Alright, sige. So, noong February 24, 2024, ikaw yung mayor nun, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Natatandaan mo yung si Min Duc, yung isang Vietnamese na tumakas doon sa property mo at pumunta doon kay Mr. Santa Maria.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam yung insidente, pero
Yes.
kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, right after, nagbigay po ng statement po yung management po nila sa office to explain ano po nangyari.
Sinong nagbigay ng explanation?
From the management of Zunyo 1.
And during that time that tumakas yung Vietnamese na yon, si Nguyen Minh Duc, according sa kanyang affidavit, siya ay hinire bilang isang chef, cooking position for Vietnamese nationals. Pero nung dumating siya sa airport, di ba, iba sumundo sa kanya, and after that, dinala siya sa Sunyuan Technology. At nung dinala siya sa Sunyuan Technology, he told them that uwi na siya. But he was forced to stay in your place sa Sunyuan, sa Baupulan. And he was told that he has to repay all the processing fees lahat. Kaya hindi siya nakaalis doon sa Banban. Now, sino ang chief of police mo during that time?
Your Honor, during doon sa na-mention yung pong date, hindi na po ako may-ari nung land.
Yes, I'm not asking that,
Yeah.
Alice. I'm asking, sino yung chief of police mo during that time that you were the mayor of...
Major Perfecto? Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali.
Ang mayor mo during that time, ang chief of police mo during that time is si Major Perfecto de Bayo.
Opo.
Okay.